Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we will talk about how to add language in Vivo Y53s phone. Guys, you want to add language, so guys you can add language. And guys, now let's see guys how to add language in Vivo phone. I will show you in this video. So first of all, open your phone setting. Then guys, click on system setting. Guys, click on language and input. Guys, click on languages. Guys, click on add a language. So guys, which language guys you know you use, so guys you can add from here guys. Tamil, it's like there are different type of guys. Nepali guys you can see Gujarati language. So guys, you can add language from here. So I know guys Hindi, Bharat, India. So I will add this Hindi language. So guys, click here. So as you can see, in the language we have added, and guys we can see it. Press it guys and don't remove your finger, and guys stop. So as you can see, in the language guys we have added in our phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to add language in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.